Welcome back to another vlog. Today is, I don't know what day it is today, but it's Monday and we're gonna have breakfast. Let's see what we have for breakfast. So we have, perfect. We have bananas and I brought this from home. This is the original speculoos crunchy from Cheska. Thank you, Cheska. With bread. We're gonna go to Tagaytay later on with Mark, so running some errands lang. Tapos yun. My sister texted me, she said that the videos did go up last night. Problema sa internet namin, so yun, hindi na go up. But anyway, it's okay. Hindi sumasagot si Iza. Oh my God.
The subscriber cannot be reached. Please try again later.
Baby! Morning, bee. We also have rice, fried rice, sinangag, and corned beef. We're toasting. We're toasting. We're toasting up some bread here. Yummy, 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 yummy. We're gonna make hindi peanut butter and jelly, peanut butter and banana bread. Maganda to. Saan ito nabili? Itong mga ito.
Kasama yan dito sa bahay.
Seryoso? Ang cute to. Cappuccino, latte. For coffee, we have Live-In alkaline coffee. Ayan. Ooh. Para sa mga taong pag-ayaw nila maging acidic, tama ba? Yung coffee.
Yung...
Tama.
Yung mga acidic na...
Nangangas. Oo. Mag-cafe. Ang cute na nabili ng mama ni Mark na cup. Ayan o. Hindi siya ganun kalalim, pero saktong-sakto siya. Ang galing. Okay. Bakit sa'yo red? Akin orange.
Tingin si Kuya Herbie.
Wow, thank you, B. If you wanna order that, text the number in the information box. Diba? Kaya naubos na namin yung jar. Oh yeah. It's really yummy. I forgot all about the banana, so kunwari na lang may banana. Today is Joyce's birthday. Happy birthday, Joyce! B, happy birthday ka, Joyce! B, happy birthday, Joyce! Okay, so now is the time to pack up because we're gonna go to the old house to give Gonzi his breakfast. So I have here Ziploc bags in assorted sizes. Lagi akong meron ganito. It's 34.75 at SM Supplies and it's very, 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 very helpful. Si Chef Boy logo na sa TV. Okay. Chef Boy logo. Look at this accent wall. It's really pretty. Lalo na with the lights on. Let me just show you. Very loud pa. Look at that. So pretty. Lalo na paggabi. So they have the kitchen, a little dining area, another dining area for mas madaming tao. Then they have two living rooms. Yon, and then this one. Super ganda. It's a beautiful home. But they haven't really settled in yet kasi ang daming pang kailangan ayusin from the old house to here. Kaya ayun. Ang sweet ng parents ni Mark. Look ko. Hanggang ngayon, nandito pa rin sila. This was my gift to them a year ago. Last year pa yan. Kay Tita Larry tsaka kay Tita Vinya. Cute, diba? They're so sweet. Just finished showering. I'm gonna do my makeup. Quick hair and makeup lang pala. Makeup lang. We are now gonna head out, so we're gonna run a few errands. This is my OOTD for today. The same old outfit. I have a towel on my head kasi basa pa yung hair ko. Bag from Ike Socampo. Yan. This is my simple makeup. Oh, very simple. Laki ng mirror nila dito. Ayun ako, kanyang kalaki. Oh. Hi, B! Mark got that t-shirt from the, ano yan? Auto Salon. Auto salon. Oy, don't forget, Concy's food. Binalak mo lahat. Binalak mo lahat. Kirby. Irby! Mark is just checking the engine before we go kasi galing to sa biyahe. Galing siya sa biyahe from Manila to Cavite, so you have to check everything. Yun. Phew! Tissue! Hi, Cavite! Dog food. Rice food for dogs. Oops! Sige. Dito wala.
Yeah.
Dito wala din. Sige lang, go. Wala. Paalis na sila? Ha? Kakain na lunch? Santa! We're now here in
Santa.
Tagaytay. Hindi yan. In Tagaytay. Kakalagpas lang ng Taal Vista. We're gonna eat at Uncle Sheffy's.
Saan na
Ooh. Here. Uncle Sheffy's. Sheffy's?
Open na ba? Ang tanong.
Why not? 12:59 na.
Oh, so bakit? So bakit? Ito rin, Roborbon, open eh.
Hindi siya bagay pang ano.
Lunch,
Yeah. Uy, basta pag kumain, how much daw?
Hindi ko sure.
Worth what?
200.
Pag kumain kayo, pabalidate nyo po yung ticket para free parking.
Thank you.
Ito yung Rue Bourbon.
Yeah.
Kinain na namin last time. Check out the video. I'll have the link in the information box. Oh! May all-day buffet. All-day buffet. May all-day buffet.
Eh, kung masarap ba ang
Best
buffet nila?
brick oven BBQ pizza. Ayan. Ah, may kasama siyang kusay.
Oo,
Kusay ba
kasama
yan?
siya.
Kusay? Oh yeah, oh yeah. Rhubarb man is right over there. Tapos may mesa pala, B. Mesa. Tapos Uncle Sheffy. Tapos Krispy Kreme. All-day buffet. Ooh, yes. Tagaytay. Ayan, Uncle Sheffy. The best brick oven pizza. Ah, BBQ and Paniza. Ano yung Paniza? Pizza ba yun? Let's go inside. Hello. We have a view of Sky Ranch at the back. Di, ang cute yung may mga bata, B. Ano yan? Bakit? Kita mo?
Nagbabay sila dyan.
Ang cool. Patingin na. Hindi ba nakakatakot? Mga bata, oh. So we just finished ordering, and apparently you can order from Uncle Sheffy and from Kusay. So dalawa siyang restaurant in one. And Mark and I ordered super sarap ng menu nila. As in, oh my god. Ano yung i-take out mo kay mama, papa?
Sa atin lahat.
Ano? Ah, okay, ano?
All meat barbecue.
All meat barbecue.
Beef teriyaki.
It's their best, parang best seller ba? Paniza. All meat barbecue. Family ang ino mo, medium.
Family.
Beef teriyaki, pork, chicken, barbecue, onion, chili flakes, basil, and 3 cheese. And then Mark and I ordered something super yummy. So they have like salads and soups, pastas, and madami pa. Ang daming may lamb. Yan. Ito yung order namin ni Mark. It's their best seller. It's the Memphis Barbecue US beef ribs. So ano lang kami, 500 grams. It's for sharing for 2 to 3 persons na. And then for our rice, we ordered Asian fried rice. And yung Asian fried rice, yan. Yan. Ang dami, meron pa silang Uncle Sheffy steak, which looks really yummy. Although, gusto ko talaga yung ribs. Meron pa silang ribs. Ang dami pa.
Ribs.
They also have platters. Yan. Mukhang masarap yung platter, B.
Mabarbecue sila.
B. Alala mo yung platter sa Rue Bourbon, napakamahal. Dito pala ka. Dito pala, dapat kumain na tayo dito dati. Oh my gosh. I would totally prefer this over Rue Bourbon kasi medyo pricey sa Rue
Hello ba?
Bourbon.
Ano ba?
And then they also have desserts.
Nandito na kami sa Tagaytay.
Yeah, the Sheffy cheesecake.
Sa PLDT,
Oh my god,
halimbawa,
cheesecake.
okay siya.
Chocolate roulade.
Ipapaschedule
Parfait. Yummy.
Sige.
Ito yung menu ng Kusay.
Ano lang sasabihin ko?
So basically Filipino food. May bulalo.
Wala pa.
We
hindi
also
pa
have,
namin
oh, look at this.
Hawakan mo na pala yung
Crispy
cabinet.
pata, liempo, bagnet, bacolod,
Kakain mo
ram, yum, yum.
Okay.
Yan lang. Feel ko super sarap. Nabino. Dapat pala dito kumain.
Yeah.
Sa Rue Bourbon, how much inabot? 2,000?
Hindi. 2-3 ba? 2-3.
2,300.
Ito. Complete ko 990. Kasama na yung pizza. And for sharing lahat.
Pero okay lang. Okay din naman. Okay
For
yung sa Rue
sharing.
Bourbon. Okay lang siya. Mark and I just took a photo. It's really cute. As in, sa phone niya mas maganda. Pero maganda rin naman yung dito. Bakit patingin, baby?
Wait.
Ito yung sa phone ko. Oh, how cute. Oh. Pero mas gusto ko yung nasa phone mo, B. May I see? May I? Oh. Ito pa. Oh. Send mo sa akin.
Thank you.
We have Asian fried rice, which looks super yummy. And then this is the Uncle Chefy and a Memphis beef ribs.
US
Look at that.
barbecue ribs.
Look at that beauty. Grabe. Tapos mayroon pang potato balls. And then we have sauces. This looks yummy. Oh yes. The meat is so tender.
Pakasarap ng
Sobrang sarap na ng Asian rice. Tapos to.
Sarap yung potato lang, bro.
Of course, we have our Ziploc for the doggies. Mga ribs, sayang yan. Okay. Just finished eating. Oh my God, kumain kayo sa Uncle Chefy. I swear, sobrang sarap niya. Everything is 1,078, including this panisa, which we'll be taking home for the family. Ano bang panisa? Square na pizza? Tama ba? Anong all meat?
Pizza yun.
Ah, sorry.
Siguro pan pizza?
Pan pizza. Ayun. Kasama niyan is 1,078 pesos lang. It's such a beautiful day here in Tagaytay. We're leaving Uncle Chefy. Check it out. Super yummy. Si Mark sabi ko hawakan yung ticket. Nalaglag niya. Tignan natin kung ano sabihin niya.
Binigay yung ano?
Ticket.
Ticket?
Nasa'yo. Nalaglag mo. Kinuha ng waiter. Baliw. Sabi ko eh. Yung pababa ako sinasabi ko nalaglag eh. Sabi 300 daw yan, B.
Pag nawala?
Pag wala kang ano, 300 pesos. Thank you, Lord. Amazing food.
Food.
At may food pa for the doggies, so I'm super happy. Beating ka sa likod, baka may nag-ano, wala ba? Sino tatawagan mo? Tawagan mo na lang muna.
Baka mga bi. Si Don.
Ano sabihin? Parang uulan, no? Ay, nasira yung power bank ko. Yung white na power bank ko. My dog dropped it on the floor. Nawasak siya. Kaya ayoko na siyang gamitin. Kahit na gumagana pa siya, I don't wanna use it anymore. Kasi baka delikado pag sinacharge. Baka sumabog or what. Kaya yun. Hindi magpaparking itong tao to.
Hawak mo yung ano?
Ticket, ayun. No, ano? Ba't mo binatawan?
I don't wanna use it anymore.
Ba't mo binatawan?
Kasi I don't wanna use it anymore.
That was one of the best lunches I've ever had. I swear, super sarap niya. I kind of regret eating at Rue Bourbon, pero not so much. Kasi ambience-wise, ang ganda ng Rue Bourbon. Yun, maganda siya. Yun nga lang, comparing it to Uncle Chefy, definitely Uncle Chefy ako kasi super sarap ng pagkain, mura lang compared to Rue Bourbon's prices. So, yun. Just a little tip for you guys if ever you wanna try out like you know, yung mga kinakainan namin. I know a lot of you guys try out the restaurants we eat at, so thank you so much for trusting our recommendation. I actually met a viewer of mine in Kanzu. She is actually a friend of, or an ex-schoolmate of Joyce. And then she told me she was eating there. She wanted to take a picture together, and then she told me she ate at Kanzu because she sees it in my vlog. So, yung kanzu pala, nagtaas ng presyo. Yung braised beef noodle soup, kinakain ko usually 155 pesos. They raised it to 195. So, kalurks. Pero well, masarap naman siya. So, may karapatan siya magtaas. Yung mga walang karapatan magtaas is yung mga hindi masarap. I'm giving a shout out to CJ. She is the owner of the user handle in Instagram, Say Tioko Forever. Sobrang cute niya, nakakatawa siya. She always posts photos. Yun, nakakatawa siyang bata. CJ, hi! Mag-hi ka naman kay CJ. Hi, CJ.
Hi, CJ.
My vlogging cam's battery is dying. Buti nilang meron akong isang extra pack. But this one is not... Dying nga, dying. But this one is not fully charged yet. Namatay nga yung camera. Pero yun, pinala ko ng bat. So you have to charge. I also have to charge my phone. Kasi wala lang akong power bank. Bibili ako ulit. Actually, hindi ko alam kung meron ko nun eh. 20,000 mAh. By far the best power bank I've ever used. So, ano siya? So, Mark just had to make a quick call. So, I'm here, parked lang sa may Bahay Kalamay, Indang, Cavite. I'm actually gonna buy one because I want some dessert. So, we're gonna go. So, I got 3 kalamay. Tatlo for 50 pesos. And I got the small ones. Ganito kaliit. Cute niya, no? This is really sweet. Mindas Kalamay. Bunalejos, Indang, Cavite. And then inside, you will see like 4 patties of kalamay. Ayan, 4 siya. Masarap to. Maliit lang siya. Ayan. I think it's a form of kakanin. Currently posting a giveaway on my Twitter and my Facebook page, so check it out. I'll have the link in the information box. All you have to do is comment why you want to win it. So it's gonna be a Pond's Dewy Rose Gel full size and travel size product from Pond's. So yun, if ever you want to try it. We're back at home and we're gonna cook kikiam and fishball. May construction pala sa labas kaya maingay. So yan, Seaglow fishball. Ay hindi, kikiam. Tapos ito yung Seaglow special fish bowl. Bowl? And look at this. Rolled oats. Ayan, lumaki na siya. Bio. Ang laki na. Ano siya? Filipino street food. So, pwede mo siyang lutuin sa bahay. Bili ka lang sa supermarket. Although wala tayong sauce ng yung nasa mga kalsada. Masarap. Sweet, spicy, yan. Medyo sunog yung kikiam. Kasi masyadong malakas yung apoy, so hininaan ko. Fishball time. This is not good with vlogging at the same time. Kalurks. Fishball time. By the way, hindi ako kaliwete. Nag-vlog lang ako, kaya left hand yung hammer ko. Nip. Fishball. Kikiam. Coffee. And since we don't have any seasonings or sausawan for these street food, meron tayong seasoned soy sauce for dumplings. So, okay na yun. That would do. Afternoon snack. Tanan! We need to clean out more stuff. Kasi mamaya babalik na naman sa kabilang bahay para mag-alis na ng gamit. Si Mark sobrang daming gusto sa bahay. Ay, sa kwarto. Sobra. Hello? Kung ganda ng house nila. Oh, look at that. Lagay mo yung ilaw doon. Di ba pakita ko yung ilaw? Lagay mo yung ilaw. Dali. It's so beautiful. This is my favorite part of their house. It's super bongga. Ganda. Para naman kita ni Tita Vivian. Ay, sayang. Dapat di yung makikita, no? Paano na? Eh, di niya pa panoorin. Sabihin ko, huwag niya panoorin. Ayan. Super bongga. Yung ilaw. Bongga din ang bongga. Wow, bongga. Next. 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 Hindi, yung ganun lang. Oh. Oh, bongga, no bongga. Kitchen. Ito yung kila Consi Kirby. Yung mga ribs. Herbie? Yummy? Bah, hawak dalawang kamay. Herbie? Hindi marunong si Consi magayan yung dalawang hawak ng kamay, no?
Hindi.
Oh, so sweet yun si Fluffy Ball. Fluffy baby ball. Mark found something. Mark found something at the back. Ano yan? Patingin?
Ano to?
Ilaw. Bulb.
Oo, wala na.
Okay. Tapos, meron siya nakitang note. Anong note yan?
Kailangan palitan. Dapat eksakto.
Oh. 11 watch.
11 watch daw to.
Nag-gets kaya nila? Anyway, that's it for today's vlog. I'm gonna end it early because I need to help them, like, you know, arrange some stuff. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'll be going back to Manila tomorrow to upload more vlogs. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. B, bye-bye ka. Okay lang. Bye, B.
Bye.